Today, we're going to be showing you how to install a complete foot set on our Ultrafeed LSZ machine. A complete foot set includes 3 components: the feed dog, outside presser foot, and inside presser foot. We're going to show you how to do this by removing the sawtooth foot set that comes standard with the machine and replacing it with a smooth leather set. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the outside presser foot. To do this, we will lift our presser foot up and rotate the balance wheel so that the outside presser foot is at the highest position. Then we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the set screw until the foot can be removed. Sometimes loosening this screw can be difficult, and if it is, we recommend using a larger screwdriver. You won't need to fully remove this screw, just loosen it enough for the foot to drop down. Then rotate the balance wheel so that the needle is at its highest position. Next, we will remove the inside presser foot by unscrewing and removing the screw holding it in place. Lastly, we need to remove the feed dog. We recommend removing the side plate first so that you can more easily reach the screws with your screwdriver. Once you've removed the side cover, we'll start by unscrewing and removing the needle plate. Once that is removed, you can set it to the side. Then unscrew the 2 screws holding the feed dog in place. To make this easier, we recommend rotating the balance wheel so that the feed dog is rotated all the way forward so that you can remove the front screw. And then rotate it all the way to the back to remove the back screw. This will just make it easier for you to reach with your screwdriver. With the sawtooth feed dog removed, you can now install the new feed dog. You can rotate the balance wheel again to make reinstalling these screws easier. Start by loosely screwing the new feed dog into place. Then, to ensure that the feed dog is properly lined up, we will place our needle plate back into position. We want the feed dog to be centered in the track cutouts on the needle plate. You can make adjustments until it's perfectly in the center. Then you can screw it down all the way. And then once the feed dog is firmly in place, you can then screw the needle plate back into place. Once the feed dog is reinstalled, you can place the cover back on. Now we're going to install the inside presser foot. Simply slide the foot on and line up the hole. Then use the screw to tighten it into place. To reinstall the outside presser foot, rotate the balance wheel so that the foot is at its highest position. Then slide the foot onto the screw and loosely screw it into place, but don't tighten it all the way. Then we're going to lower our foot so that it can line up with the angle of the feed dog. Then we're going to tightly screw it into place. And now you're ready to sew with your new foot set. You can follow these same steps to install any 3-piece foot set or presser foot components. We've gone ahead and linked our new LSZ smooth leather foot set in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos.